Welcome to iMyMac channel. Here, Power My Mac will help you clean and optimize your Mac easily. Do you use Adobe Photoshop, Premiere and Final Cut Pro regularly? However, you may be troubled by not being able to launch these software programs, which is a sign that your scratch disks are full. The reason why your scratch disks are full is that there are too many temporary files on your Mac. These temporary files can quickly accumulate and clog up your disk storage, so there will not be enough disk space and your Mac may run slow, which leads to poor performance. How to fix my Mac running slow problem? You can manually clear Photoshop caches, free up disk space, and set up scratch disks to remove software caches so you can get more storage space on Mac. But it is time-consuming and complicated, and we won't recommend you do it manually. Power My Mac is a professional Mac cleaner tool. It clears caches and files on Mac quickly. You can effortlessly clear scratch disks with one click and always keep your Mac running in tip-top shape by using Power My Mac. Now we will show you how to use Power My Mac to free up scratch disks quickly. Step 1. Free download and launch Power My Mac on your Mac. Step 2. Choose the junk cleaner model and click the scan button, then wait for the scan process to complete. Step 3. All system junk files on Mac will be detected and displayed after the scan process. Click Application Cache and locate Photoshop caches. Step 4. Click the Clean button to start the process to automatically clear Photoshop caches on Mac. We provide free trial versions of the above features. Download and clean your Mac now.